Alright, here's something that you might be interested in, especially if you have the Parrot Anafi quadcopter. Here it is. What I've been noticing lately is I don't have my GoPro lined up on my head nearly as well as I should for making videos, and because I'm flying with my iPhone over here, and I use my iPhone to do the Wi-Fi on the camera to line up the shot, but when I have to take all that stuff off, I normally screw up the shot. So I've been wanting to fly my drones with my Huawei Media Pad M5 here, the small 8.4 inch media pad. Been wanting to fly with this because of course there's more real estate on this device versus the iPhone. The iPhone does a good job, but when you get older like me and you need to have some cheaters on your eyes, some reading glasses, it gets kind of hard to see sometimes on the smaller device. So I had the Media Pad M5 here, and what I bought is from, and of course I'm going to leave the links in the description down below. I bought from I believe it's called Dirty J Designs. I got this off of Amazon. You can go to Dirty J Designs and buy this directly from them, and it basically is a device that fits right over the antenna here. You can take them off easily. And this right here comes with this device right here. You fit around the post of the and I'll show you what I'm talking about. It fits around right here, so it'll grab a larger phone. It'll grab a small tablet like this right here, and you see here, and and it fits in there just like this, nice and snug. We do that one more time. It's the first time I've had this in here, so that's why that happened. You just pull it up, pull this open, fits right in the groove, just like that. And it's nice and snug. That way, when you do hook it up on your controller, hooks right into it. So I want to go ahead and take off and fly today. As you see here, it's not the best weather to fly in. Overcast, gray, but it's 72 degrees. So hey, can't wish for any warmer weather than what I have now. So I might have some flight footage of this at the end mixed with the flight footage I took yesterday. I don't know, but I'm in the same place, of course, in my home. So I just wanted to get out here. I was so excited about received this yesterday. So excited about getting this out today, so I want to fly. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.